guys, welcome back to another video. Today I was liking to share with you my problem, which you might have because you are seeing this video. Okay, you can copy a file because it's too large for the volume format. How to fix it? Well, this is easy. Of course, we need to go first and get info just to tell you what is wrong. The wrong thing is that it's having a MS-DOS, which has a limited amount of transferable file. Okay, so how to change this? Well, we need to go to Spotlight, Disk Utility, not on Mac, but on your hard disk. Here we go. We need to tap here. Okay, and we need to go to exFAT. Well, basically is that simple, but be sure to have all of your files saved on your computer, because this is going to erase all of your files, and if you need something, it might be gone. You can tap restore, but for much better, just be sure to have all the files saved. Okay, here we have all data erased, but let's go, guys. We can save now files. Okay, we can save files basically that are too large, that were too large for the format. Now they can be saved there. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and to tap the ring bell icon. See you on the next video. Peace.